All right, our class YouTube is where you can get instructions under playlists for sketching for our next project. Our next project is assignment 4. It's a vector black shape logo. Even though we're the afternoon class, I'm telling you to watch this video because it's like 10 minutes worth telling you what you need to do. But I am going to give you in this video an overview because I don't have as much time. So if we go to our course and we go to the home page and we go to unit modules, we're going to go to the unit module after our group presentations, which we just talked about setting up. And this is vector design, unit 9. It has a question of the day with slides attached to help you understand the difference between vectors and pixel-based or raster images. This is a very important set of slides that you want to understand. It starts with a student video explaining the differences, and then it goes through examples, and then we get to how it relates to the most common use of vector imaging in our digital culture, and that's with vector design of logos. We are making an image-based, an iconic logo, also known as a pictorial logo. But other kinds of vector designs would be logo types that use letter forms. We'll be designing type and letter forms later, so do not include letters in this design. Ricky?
Are we making a logo that's current or?
You're making your own, and there's a theme for it. You're also not making a combined mark, which is a combination of a picture and letter type, right? A good logo design, and we can just think of it as a black shaped graphic, is clear, engaging, and versatile. So let's get right to it. What is our project? The thing we have to do for next class is we need to do sketches, right? From those sketches, just hand-done sketches, we will turn them into black shaped vectors, and then we'll be able, once we finish our black shaped vector, make a color variation. Our theme kind of relates to this one. Our theme is an Earth Day achievement badge symbol. Kind of like the Girl Scouts. What's your Earth Day badge going to look like as a simple black shaped vector? This was an Earth Day theme where we combined existing logos into a new logo. So that uses all kind of oil company logos to make this flower, right? So how do we sketch for it? This is proving ground number 2. Because any of us can kind of sketch something, but it's not going to be the best it can be. So this is part of creative problem solving. We need to sketch it at least 3 ways. And that video will help explain more. But let's say that we wanted a butterfly to be the symbol that we're using for our Earth Day achievement badge. We have to sketch it in a way that's symmetrical. And in these examples, I give you an example of central symmetrical logos. Like these at the top, right? They all grow from the middle. So you guys can see how this is central symmetrical. I need you to sketch it in a way that's dynamic. These are the dynamic logos. They avoid horizontals and verticals. The eye is meant to move through them in diagonals and curves. And you can see how this butterfly is more dynamic, right? And then the most difficult one, I want you to try to sketch it. It will really get you to think about how to simplify and clarify your idea. I want you to sketch it as a play of positive and negative space, because all we're making are black shapes. Those black shapes should work on any background, on a red background, on a gray background, right? So the white here is the background. And if you have important logo content in the background, that is a play of positive and negative space. So this key, the key is black, but in the white, there is a whole city skyline, right? Here you have a giraffe and a rhinoceros in the negative space. Here you have the S in the negative space of USA. Here you have faces in the negative space and the heart in the positive space. I include the panda because you kind of need both parts of the panda for it to read as a panda, right? All right, here's another example. Let's say you really liked otters. These are kind of finished logos, but you would just kind of sketch this approach. Central symmetrical, dynamic, play of positive and negative space, where it's kind of cut out on this ocean circle. Okay, what do we do next from there? and then I'll let you go, I swear. Once we've sketched it roughly, that's proving ground 2. Then you're going to comment on a group member's sketches in class next class. And I'll demonstrate the sketching beginning of next class. From there, we make a refined sketch. From the refined sketch, we make our vector logos. From our vector black shape logos, we make our color variations. That's all there is to it. You want to think this for your sketches, not this. Right? They are logos, they are black cutout shapes. They are not line art. That's it. Thank you very much.